first you're going to pick a color scheme. This could be warm colors, this could be cool colors, this could be monochromatic, analogous. Look at your color wheel and feel what colors best represent you. Once you've done that, we're going to put dabs of these colors on the paper, and you're going to use a card or piece of cardboard to drag the color across the paper. Do better than I did. Pull it all the way across so the whole paper is covered with your color. This has to dry before we move on to the next part of our artwork. Then you're going to take the paper and you're going to print out a sneaker of your choice. Use a dark crayon or a dark oil pastel to cover the back side of the sneaker printout. This is how we're going to transfer the drawing to the paper from the printout. Make sure that you flip it over and check to make sure the whole sneaker has been scribbled on the back. We're going to first tape down our dry artwork to your messy mat or table to make sure it does not move. Then, once that's taped to the table, we have to create a hinge, taking the sneaker printout and just taping the top of your sneaker printout to the paper. Then use your pencil to mark the corners just to make sure if you need to place the paper back after you have untaped it. Then using your pencil, press down and trace over every line of that sneaker printout. This will transfer that oil pastel to your painted paper. Occasionally flip it up and just check to make sure you're pushing it. Again, this is why we mark the corners. Once you've done that, you're going to use a permanent marker. Use different types of pressure with the permanent marker, creating thick lines in some areas and thinner lines in the other. Again, check your handout, your printout, to make sure you've got every single line traced that transferred onto your artwork. You can see here I have two artistic decisions I have made, one with a multicolor background or a single color. So figure out if you want to put the color scheme into your shoe like I did with the Converse or the color into the background like I did the Nike.